Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Destiny credit card. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in destinycard.com and then press enter to go into the Destiny card website. Now just click on Customer Service and then click on FAQ. Now click on Contacting Us and then expand the first option. Now you will find the toll-free customer service number on which you can call and let them know that you want to cancel your credit card. The customer service representative will guide you through the process of canceling your card in no time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your Destiny credit card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.